everyone, today we're going to create this jelly animation. This is a follow along tutorial video, so we will slow down and make sure you have everything you need to create this project. First, we delete the default cube and Shift A to add a cylinder. On the bottom left, change vertices from 32 to 18, and you scale 0.7 on Z and tab into edit mode. Number pad 3, go to face select mode and select the top face. Scale it down by 0.7. Also in the face select mode, we select on the side face and go to the top select similar and click area. You Ctrl E to bring out the extrude menu and select extrude individual faces. Tap back into the edit mode and Ctrl 5 to add subdivision level. Now it looks like a jelly. So you tap back to the edit mode, grab G to grab the top faces and move down a bit on the Z axis, and use the middle mouse to the lower view so you can click on the bottom face, and use S to scale up the bottom face of it. To make the plane, we need to add a cylinder. So G to grab on -0.7 on Z, and S to scale 2 on Shift Z, and then you S to scale 0.1 on Z. So tap into the edit mode, select the top face, and I to insert a bit. So select one of the ring face square and select a similar area, so you get all the ring faces selected, and E to extrude on Z axis and S to scale. You tap out of the object mode, Ctrl 2 and right click on the shape smooth. Now we have a plate. To add a teaspoon and teapot, we can use Blender's built-in mesh. Shift A, go to Mesh, Actual Object, Teapot. If you don't see these options, that's because you need to check the boxes of Mesh Actual Object under the Edit Preferences add-ons. It comes with Blender itself, so you just have to turn it on. And under Teapot Object Type, there is a drop-down menu, and you can select the teapot spoon. S to scale and number pad 7 on the top view, number pad 1 on the front view to place the tip spoon at the rotation you want. To make the jelly piece, select the jelly object F3 and type cell fracture. And then you change the number to 30. You can check the smooth under the mesh data and uncheck the sharp edges and hit OK. We only need one piece for this animation, so you can go select the perfect piece, maybe the size of your spoon, and then delete all other broken pieces. We also need to duplicate the jelly and add a Boolean modifier to select the difference target to the broken piece, so the whole jelly looks like a small piece missing. and we name this piece Jelly Boolean. So visibility setting on frame 1, we want the full jelly visible in the viewports and renders. And the cell fracture jelly Boolean should not be showing in the viewports and the renders. On the frame 60, we want to see the cell fracture and the jelly Boolean, but we do not want to see the full jelly. So have your mouse over this selection and hit I to keyframe those. Make the boxes green with the checks and make the empty green boxes if you don't want to see it. And the viewport and render view. The last step is to keyframe the spoon and the jelly piece location. So use N to bring out the transform menu. Hit I when your mouse is over and the location rotation and the green color shows that the keyframe is active. You can also duplicate the plate and the spoon by using Shift D or Alt D if you want them to have the same materials. So add a sphere and scale it down to 0.5. In the edit mode, remove half of the faces and shade smooth. Add a teapot and add material, camera, and the lights. So here we go. We have made this lovely loop animation. Hopefully you enjoyed the tutorial. See you next time.